Hello, this is Kato Jeremiah, a content creator at CSFG, Kato Jeremiah blog.wordpress.com, crypto trader and online business personnel. So, previous video we looked at something to do with recharging your IGT account. In this video we are back again to look at something else, and that will be how to use the platform transfer option on IGT, or how to transfer money from one IGT account to another. But before I proceed, I would like to pass on this communication. Anyone here who has joined IGT using my IGT referral link that I shared on one of my videos here, and anyone else that wishes to join us or to join IGT, you can join our team. You can join our WhatsApp group. I'm going to put the group invitation link in the description of this video so that you join. So to those who joined using my link, the reason is that it is necessary that when you're working with IGT, it is very necessary for you to work closely or to be communicating to your company supervisor. And IGT has a number of branches, and each branch, and therefore they have a number of supervisors. But it is easier for you to manage your account when you're in touch with the supervisor for that particular, normally it is the person who referred you is supposed to link you to the supervisor. So that's why I had to take this step and invite you to our group by putting a group link here, because I know people have joined my IGT. I've joined IGT using my referral link. So you would need to join that group so that you can get in contact with the company supervisor that supervises me. It should be the same person to supervise your accounts. And then on that very note, I would like to pass on this communication. Previously there was someone that has been trying to steal, I would say, my IGT account, because they have been trying to play around to change my passwords, just because for one time when I shared a video, I mistakenly during editing didn't cover my password, so they were disclosed. So this person got into my account and then they tried changing my passwords here and there. But because I work closely with my company supervisor, that's why it was impossible for this person to steal my account. I would always get notified by my supervisor, and we had to do something to avoid such a thing. So it is very useful. Those people who have joined IGT using my link, just join our WhatsApp group. I'm going to put the link in this video's description. So the other thing, now we continue back to the main issue of this video, that is how to transfer funds or money from one IGT account to another. It is rarely used, but maybe you may need it, because I've also ever used it. I needed it and I used it, so you never know. So, and about this option is that the transfers are charge free and money is transferred immediately. Like immediately after the transfer, money has reached the account, the destined account. So we are going to go through the procedures of how to go about it. Just watch this video to the end. Thank you. Now, for us to transfer money from one IGT account to another, all you need to do is to come to your IGT account, come to your dashboard, the home page. When you come to the home page, there are two options, but you shall go with this option or doing it from the home page. So you come to the home page and then you select the transfer option. So when you tap on the transfer option, they will bring us this transfer form. So on the transfer form, there are three fields for you to fill. One is the platform account, the platform to which you're transferring the money to. So you put in the account name. Then after that, you put in the transfer amount, how much you wish to transfer, and then lastly you put in your secure code. So let's go through it very fast. So let's say I'm transferring this money to this account. This is the account name. Let's do it, and then let's say I'm transferring $52, then I put a secure code. So because I'm not interested in this process, it's just for illustration purposes, I'll put a wrong code. And then I will confirm. So if the code is right, the process will go through and they will show you that transfer successful, and it happens immediately. Yeah, otherwise that is it. That's the process. Thank you for watching. Maybe just to show you the other way is by going to your dashboard where your balances are reflected from. There is this option, platform transfer. You can also pass via this way. Yeah, thank you for watching.